This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site News-dufuye.cc. News-dufuye.cc is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. News-dufuye.cc tries to make you click on Allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot, but the reality is that clicking on Allow is dangerous and may hijack your browser with a lot of pop-up windows that will be attacking the screen in the form of repeated push notifications. If you've mistakenly clicked on Allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu, then Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to all these sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove these malicious sites if you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them. And finally, in order to be convinced that your computer is free of other threats, we recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and then begin researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.